What morning?
Thursday?
Yes.
4:45 a.m. Amsterdam time.
I'm waiting for the bus.
Headed to the airport. And headed to Munich.
Yeah.
Didn't really sleep. So I would look awake. This was just a nap.
Yeah. Hour and a half to Munich. Chevy Chase. Done. Bowls full of coffee, but still shit service. Had to ask for the check a couple times.
Didn't even get any water. And we asked for it. I don't know.
Guess what we just got? Lederhosen and the dirndl.
Which looks really cute on me, by the way. Tie your ribbon on the right if you're taking it.
On the left if you're single.
And if in the middle, if you're a virgin or undecided.
You should wear it more often. You should actually buy one. That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. Somebody's really itching to try it.
Yeah, I want to try it. I can only imagine how cold the water is. I don't have a board here, obviously, so. Oh well.
They just let the river carry them, and then it's not that deep. So then they just climb out and do it again.
Yeah, pretty much.
Is there something under? Like,
I think they did that. I think at some point some people saw how well it was flowing, and so they put some rocks or something under there to make it a wave, and then now they surf it.
pretty cool.
That's on the edge of the Englischer Garten here in Munich. Starting to get towards the end of the day, so it's getting a little chillier.
Not looking forward to wearing a dress.
Yeah.
It's really cold.
Taking a stroll.
Munich's been very quiet.
A lot of people going to Oktoberfest.
Everybody's already getting drunk.
Yes, absolutely.
I need to be more drunk.
So we are such Americans and we didn't bring enough cash. So we're going to get cash and we're also going to get food. Don't know where to get cash.
Is the question. But
plenty of food.
That was fucking amazing.
Yeah.
I was having so much fun because I was trying to stay alive.
Thank you.
because the baguette is like that hefty.
Yeah.
Didn't really matter.
Get it. Oh, you just... Can't take you anywhere.
You can't take me anywhere. Banana crepe because somebody wanted it really something sweet. So because everybody thinks we're taking pictures of ourselves, everybody's more like gracious to take pictures. And they just take the camera out of our hands to take pictures of us, which I'm not mad at. Auf Wiedersehen. We'll see you tomorrow, Oktoberfest, and we shall be drunk. Yeah?
Nah.
Yeah.